Blood of Elves by Andrzej Sapkowski. A New Beginning. The novel opens at the Witcher's remote mountain fortress, Kaer Morhen. Geralt has brought Ciri to begin her training. The old Witchers teach her combat skills, while Geralt grapples with his new role as a guardian and the ominous prophecies surrounding the girl. The shadow of the Nilfgaardian Empire looms large. Emperor Emhyr seeks Ciri for reasons not yet fully revealed, setting his spies and assassins on her trail. This external threat creates a constant state of danger and urgency. Triss Merigold's intervention. The sorceress Triss Merigold is summoned to Kaer Morhen to help with a problem. Ciri's uncontrolled magical abilities are manifesting. Triss becomes a caretaker and older sister figure, urging Geralt to seek more sophisticated help for the girl beyond the Witcher's isolated keep. The political landscape shifts. Kings and sorcerers across the northern realms convene to discuss the threat of Nilfgaard. The political maneuvering highlights the deep divisions and selfish interests that prevent a unified front, showcasing the pettiness and greed that define the world's powers. A Journey to the Temple of Melitele. For Ciri's safety and proper education, Geralt and Triss take her to the Temple of Melitele in Elendor. Under the care of the wise priestess Yennefer, Ciri will learn history, medicine, and other essential knowledge, shielded from immediate danger. Intense education. Ciri's life at the temple is a blend of rigorous academic lessons, physical training with Geralt, and forming bonds with the priestesses. This period focuses on her growth from a frightened child into a disciplined, though willful, young woman aware of her importance. Mission and Dandelion's role. Geralt leaves the temple to gather intelligence on the threats against Ciri. His path intertwines with his old friend Dandelion, whose perspective provides a ground-level view of the war's brutality and the rising anti-elven sentiment. The Squail emerge. The narrative introduces the Squail, or squirrels, non-human guerrilla fighters. Their actions, born from persecution, further destabilize the realm and complicate the war, presenting a morally ambiguous conflict within the larger struggle. Yennefer takes charge. Yennefer of Vengerberg arrives at the temple, taking over Ciri's education. Her focus is on taming and controlling Ciri's latent magical power. This marks a significant step in Ciri's training and solidifies the trio's familial unit. Setting the stage for war. The book concludes not with a definitive battle, but with a sense of impending doom. The characters are positioned for the coming conflict, with Ciri's training advancing and the forces of Nilfgaard drawing closer. The stage is fully set for the escalating saga. Blood of Elves serves as the foundational first chapter of the five-novel Witcher saga, transitioning from short stories to an epic narrative. It establishes Ciri's training and the political tensions that will drive the entire series, focusing on character development and world building rather than a conclusive plot.